To power off Redmi A5, there are actually three ways to do this, and the first one I will show you is you have to press simultaneously the power button and the volume up button, and as you do this you will have this power menu. Actually, hold on, press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously, and this will turn on the power menu, and from here you simply have to press the power off button, and this is the first way to turn off your phone. The second way is the classic one, so you will have to go into the settings. From here you have to scroll all the way down and go for the system, and then go into the gestures, and then go for the press and hold power button and select the power menu instead of digital assistant. And this is the classic way to turn off your phone, by pressing and holding the power button, and this will enable the power menu, and from here you press this button to power off. This is the second way, and the third way to do this is without the power buttons, so you can turn off your phone using only the screen. So you will have to go into the settings. From here scroll down until you find the accessibility. Let's go in there. From here scroll down and go for the accessibility menu, and here is this accessibility menu shortcut. Press the switch to turn it on, press allow, and got it. And from here there is this third way to turn off your phone, by going into this accessibility menu from the shortcut, and here is the power button, and you can press it and it enables the power menu, and from here you simply press this power off button, and this is the third way to turn off your Redmi A5.